Think it'll work. This project for the day, using the Bobcat to put a stump in the water, and it's chained to a safe. You're gonna drag it into the lake and sink it. So should be interesting. It's chained to a safe, so
probably are gonna sink my fucking boat today.
We're gonna tell some people and see if they come out here over in the ice and pull the safe out, and try to get the $1 trillion that's inside it. So we'll see. Ready to go in. So we'll see what happens. Okay. Bobcat, there goes the boat. Getting ready, getting closer. Already. So gotta go put the boat in the water and get it in position. Good. Getting ready, getting in position. There we go. About to go in. Here it goes.
Hold on, let me get down there inside.
This thing's full of air. Ain't gonna float for long, man. Okay, so it didn't sink like we thought. Gotta get some more weight for it. Stay tuned. Okay, there it went. Oh, and it's back up. It went down, it came up. That's kind of funny. So, try something else. Think it sunk? Finally.